Ayan guys, update to my duck. I don't want to open the door because if I open the door, the duck will go out because he don't want me to see here. So I'm just taking a video inside. As you can see, the duck is over there. Because once I open the door, he will go out. That's her food. See? She's taking care of her eggs. See? He go out when he's See? He go out when he saw me coming. Where are you going, duck? See? He moved. Okay. That's the update for her eggs. Lots of eggs. And that's the food of the duck. Duck food. Okay, look at that. That's the duck. She don't want me to see. She's hiding from me. Okay, I will go out now guys, so the duck will come again for her eggs. Lots of eggs.